Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we are going to fix this. Alright, so the sound that you hear clicking behind this glove box is actually a blend door motor. I have the new part. There's a Motorcraft part. Link will be in the description. Very easy, straightforward job to do. 10 minutes at most. So to get started on this, first we have to clean out our glove box. If yours opens all the way. Mine does not. Once that's done, drop the glove box. All right, so once you have the glove box down, inside this glove box back here, you're gonna have this motor. 2 bolts, I believe 5/16. Remove those. Take this red clip and move it up. And then you'll press this black clip down and remove the electrical connector. Let me just reach in behind the camera here. So you reach in. Oh my God, I dropped my camera. My apologies for falling. Where were we? Okay, so we're gonna reach in here and remove this bolt that you see right here. Ever so carefully, because the last time I did this, I knocked you guys out. Okay. See? Easy peasy. This comes out. Now, what you're gonna look for is on the part, which this may blow the way the hell out. So you see a 8G13919E616AB. That's what you're gonna tell your dealer, or you can put that in the Google search and it'll give you the current part number, because this part number is not current. They've already superseded it. When you put these on, you may notice there's an arrow right here. And you may also notice the blank spot in this key. And if you look at the one that we took out, you may see the arrow and the blank spots up there. So what you're gonna have to do is put your new blend motor in the way that it sits. So mine's gonna be like, not the way that it came out, that's for sure. So mine's gonna sit in there, I believe, just like that. And then you got to turn the key, which I took out of the ignition already. Turn the key to your run position so that the motor gets rehomed. And once it's rehomed, that's it. Get your 2 bolts, screw them, missed the hole there. Uh-oh, screw them back in. Really? A siren right now? Why? Why is it gonna be one right now? And that's all there is to it. Make your connection, snap it, push that back down, and that should be it. A quick test, we turn our key, back to run. No clicking. That's it. We fixed it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching, guys. If the video sucks, you know what to do. But if you liked it, hit like and get subscribed. Check out the link in the video description on where you can purchase this blend motor. Thanks for watching again. Bye.